Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in today's video we are going to learn about useful microorganisms. We'll see how microorganisms are useful to us. So let us have a look. Microorganisms are used in the decomposition of waste and they convert waste materials into fertilizer. You can see in the first picture here, the waste has been collected into different compartments, and this waste includes the waste which comes out of the kitchen, normally the wet waste. Now this waste is converted into the fertilizer with the help of the microorganisms. Second, production of biogas. Normally the waste which comes out, the organic waste like the fruit peels or the leaves, these all are put into this digester which you can see, and then look at the second step here. The food waste is broken down by the bacteria. So what happens is, in this the bacteria acts on the waste material, and then the waste material is converted into the natural gas. It is converted into the natural gas. Okay, this natural gas is stored here in this compartment, and then if you see here, it is used for cooking purposes. And whatever is the left over liquid waste after the production of gas, that leftover liquid waste is used in the garden as the fertilizer. So you see how microorganisms are useful in the production of biogas. Sewage water is also treated with microbes. Normally in many countries, whatever the sewage water comes out of our houses, normally the water which comes out of our washrooms, or the harmful water or the waste water which comes out, that is treated with the microbes so that that water can be used for various other purposes. It also increases the soil fertility, which we all know, and it also increases the protein content in the pulses. Since the soil fertility increases, the protein content in the pulses also increases. We all know that a very normal example which we all know is the curd. Okay, how we get a curd from the milk. Yes, who converts this curd? Who converts this milk into the curd? It is the microorganisms which are present, which convert the milk into the curd. Likewise, there are various other products which we get from the milk, and who is used in the production of these milk products? It is the microorganisms. You can see various products on the screen which are obtained from the milk. Tanning of the skin. This is the industrial use of the microorganisms. Then we have the production of ropes and strings from agave. This is the agave plant. Okay, this is the agave plant from which the strings and ropes are obtained, and microorganisms also play a very important role in this production. Then we also obtain alcohol from grains and fruits. Then we eat bread in our day-to-day life. Now this bread is made from this flour. Okay, from this flour this bread is made, and who carries out the fermentation process in this bread? It is the microorganisms, because of which we get a very nice and fluffy bread. Production of acetic acid, citric acid and lactic acid. You see here, look at the first picture where we get acetic acid. We see have here the banana leaves. See, you can see the bananas. Okay, it has been put into the digester, and yeast and acetic acid bacteria is added to it, because of which the fermentation takes place, and as a result of which you get a wine and vinegar. Okay, then there is also an example of citric acid. How do you get a citric acid? By use of the bacteria, which we use by use of the various microorganisms that we use in it. Also, a very nice example of lactic acid is the curd or the yogurt which we see. This is obtained from the milk. Okay, then next, production of vitamins, you can see in the first picture, and antibiotics. Microorganisms play a very important role in that. and remove of oil slick float in the ocean. Whenever in the ocean, when there is oil spill, wherever there oil falls out from the cargo ships, or then how are we going to clean it? In such case, we have certain bacteria which feed on the oil droplets. So what they do is they help us in removing the oil slick in the ocean. Thank you.